When I stopped teaching, I wasn't sure whether I was going to declare myself as retired, because it was a big loss. Teaching in a school is a huge community of people who know each other, care for each other, and you really are embedded. I was in that school for 20 years, and to move from there to living on the side of a mountain where I didn't know anybody, and I was isolated physically from anybody, and going along to the Active Woods group, it was lovely because it gave me a sense of purpose, that I had a way to get to know people. And I started doing some of the green woodwork because I'd inherited a load of tools from my dad and wasn't very confident using them, and doing the crafts with people here just let me develop that skill, and that skill's been so comforting to get in touch with my heritage, to create things that are beautiful and things that I'm proud of. And in terms of fitness, when I first joined the group, I'd been very unwell. It's been fabulous to sort of see my fitness improve and then be part of other people's journey helping their fitness improve. And then as I developed more and developed confidence, I missed working with people and helping people. It gave me the ability to do that, and I developed it so much that I could become a leader. So I've gone the full cycle from participant to someone that's running groups. It's been really fulfilling. I remember being struck at just the diversity of people. So you've got some people that are struggling with mental health or physical health, and it can be quite hard. Like if you're told, oh, you need to go to a group and you need to talk about things, it can be overwhelming. Whereas coming along here and we're saying, look, just come and join us, have a cup of tea, sit and watch us, have a fiddle with a craft if you want to. And people tend to break up from being an intense group. You're not all sitting in a circle staring at each other. And it just makes it really welcoming for other people that come along. There's always just a hubbub of happy people.
I'm Brendan. I'm based in Treharris, and I got involved in this because I've always been interested in outdoor pursuits, woodland well-being. I grew up near a forest in Epping, but ever since I've been in Wales, family life, family pressures, the things that kind of keep you away from being outdoors has been a real challenge. So lockdown came along, and suddenly a lot of time. What do I do? And I started to go online and get involved with sessions with Coed Lleol, learning about foraging, nature, learnt about mushrooms, and I found it really intriguing. So I started to go to some of their outdoor activities when they opened them up in Park Tydfil, which is near where I live. And for my personal well-being, as well as kind of my my development, I love that because my job is quite stressful. I spend a lot of time in front of the computer interacting with other people, but not in a kind of a calm and relaxing environment where you're with nature and you're thinking about things that are about well-being. It's just been really beneficial to me. I'm a former academic project manager, and I'm meeting people here who've come from very different walks of life, and it's great because we're engaging, we're interacting. Nobody cares where you came from. I'm a member of an ethnic minority. Kind of what difference does it make? We're all out here exploring what's available, and I'm dyeing stuff today. I'm actually making pigmented bits of cloth. I've never done that before in my life. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but yeah, we'll see what happens and how it turns out, and I can go back and tell my kids, oh, guess what I did today.